evening for those who are in the Philippines right now. It's been quite some time since we did our last live, guys. Yeah. So how's everyone doing? I hope everyone was fine. For today we're gonna be doing a very quick Bitcoin update for everyone. It's been quite some time since we did our update. So with that said, we'll just review, okay, whatever we did, last session, and at the same time, what can we expect with Bitcoin now? So let's open the weekly time frame, right? So let me just like do this one thing right here, so you guys will be able to see what time frame I'm in. Okay, so right here, everyone, we are in the Bitcoin. I'm in the Bitstamp right now. So this is the standard Bitcoin chart. And from what we can see, Bitcoin had a break last year that was roughly November. Okay, so since November, everyone, we did a very nice push to the upside. We held this roughly till January 20. So you can say like 2 months and a couple of days worth of Bitcoin hovering. But from 20, funny thing, because January 19 was when the Trump inauguration happened, and then after that it's just we're just falling from there. Now this fall is not new, okay? I have warned you before before it happens, that Bitcoin is due for a 30%. Okay, I'm talking 30% push or correction to the downside. Remember that? And that's the normal correction for Bitcoin whenever we have a push up. So the impulse, to the upside, we did somewhat like 110. So that's a big, from 50K to 100K. And right now, remember I said 30% minimum. And like we're hitting 28%. We hit the 28%. So 30% minimum. What's the maximum is 35. Okay, I don't think it's gonna go lower than 35. If that happens, can you guys see this green zone right now? Okay, or our demand zone. If that happens, everyone, it's gonna be bearish as hell, guys. Don't expect any bull market. I'm not kidding. Don't expect any bull market or uh altcoins. Okay. Just a sec. All right. So where were we? Yeah. Do not expect any why suddenly my all right. Do not expect any altcoins anymore. And later, if we are going to check the altcoins, you guys will see how bad the situation of the altcoins right now. And you know, back then when Bitcoin was just simply doing 20% drop, altcoins were already doing 40% drop. So, like I said, if Bitcoin will do 30%, expect altcoins to do, twice of that. And that has been, what has been going on so far. 70% drop, 75%, from the top. Some other altcoins literally, what is it, corrected where it started from the what is this, the push, or or the pump, you call it. Just a sec. All right, so okay, we have some people coming in, and Cloud, hi, kumusta? It's been quite some time. Sela, hello, hello, hello po. Yes, welcome everyone. So now, what to expect? Are we gonna have a continuation more to the downside? Is there any possibility that we're gonna fill in all the way to 75K that we were expecting? So let's see on the daily time frame, everyone. So daily time frame, we can clearly see that there's a resistance right now that Bitcoin is, facing. And one more thing that I would like you guys to take note is this trend line. Okay, this trend line has been going on since January 20. So let me just like thicken this one up so you all can see. Now, Miss, is Bitcoin bullish or bearish now? Very simple. I'm gonna keep this very simple, guys, because um currently we do not have any bullish confirmation yet, not in Bitcoin. If you guys can observe that. And where's my what's this thing? Let's open up Ethereum. Ethereum, on the other hand, yeah, what happened with the Ethereum? We have the bounce of the yearly trend line, and at the same time, on the support right over there, this is just like some positive, like light light in this darkness right now, some bounces we can see. But if you guys would observe right now, the coins that are bouncing are the main altcoins. Okay, Solana, for example. All right, Solana has a bounce on the demand zone right around this area. And Solana did, a crazy run up when Trump mentioned it a day ago, along with XRP, correct? XRP and then ADA, right? So let's go back on Bitcoin just a sec. So now, what can we expect, everyone, with Bitcoin? Like I said, anything below here right now, we're not on the clear yet of going to the upside. Simple as that. Not yet. I have to add our volume right here. So, volume. Mhm. And I would like to add RSI. There we go. Okay. So RSI, there's no divergence, nothing yet. If you guys can observe right now, we have some bullish candle equal, you know, yeah. So right here, the push up that we're having, do we have enough volume for the daily of Bitcoin? It's a so-so. It's an average volume we had yesterday. But the day before that, it was a very nice candlestick, bullish candlestick, along with a impressive volume, everyone. Followed by a very bullish candlestick with a nice volume next to it, average. But now, where are we at? We're actually slowing down. So we have like almost like 13 hours before the daily closes. And the volume right now, it needs to catch up. Else, what will happen? We're going to have a hovering right around this area. All right. So, Miss, when can I have the confirmation that the market is gonna continue? Now, let me tell you one thing. If we have a break to the upside, okay, here's the good news for you. Bitcoin is gonna test the 100K again. It's going to test, but What will happen, Miss? Are we gonna, surpass the level? Are we gonna make a new high? That I cannot, I cannot tell you yet. We do not have enough data to be honest, but this I can tell you. All right, that where we at right now, everyone has to be cautious. If you are looking for a short position, keep it tight. Okay, target to the previous low, because if we do reject from here, everyone, Bitcoin is gonna visit this low again. All right, on the daily it looks like a V-sharp correction right now. So what will happen? Somewhat like this, at least this low of the 83. At least, that's the minimum conservative target for Bitcoin. And if we look at the 4 hour, we did that V-sharp correction, which was very fast. Actually, it was very fast. But yeah, no confirmation from the RSI yet. Everything by the structure, everything is bearish right now. Simple as that. With Bitcoin, but we can see some alts. I'll give you some couple of alts, guys, that are having their moments right now. So what is actually happening is this: as Bitcoin is having that, we had the bullish movement to the upside, and now what we are having is like a ranging movement. So the ranging movement right here, what is happening? Try to find that. Yeah, the ranging movement that's gonna possibly happen in here is when the alts are gonna have a pick up. Okay, you guys will be seeing alts going up for a couple of days. Okay, if we do not reject right away from here, okay, alts are gonna pick up. So that's why I was talking about Ethereum earlier. Ethereum has this gap, minimum gap of 16% push to the upside, 10% push to the upside for Ethereum. Okay, I'm not even talking all the way till there, till here only. So if you guys are looking for day trades, yeah, Ethereum is in a good position for you to catch on, ride the trend, kumbaga, okay, for Ethereum. So now, let me show you other trades. Ito mga sure trades. I'm just gonna give you guys the sure trades. That's it. So XLM looks very bullish, to be honest. XLM right now. Where were we? But I have to show you this one, guys, for now, huh? We have a zone, a resistance zone right now with XLM. So, Miss, how can I approach XLM for now, as we are, this is moving in a parallel channel, right? Everyone can see that. We just broke it right here. So everyone, we have two ways to, to take the trade from here. It's either when we break above this area, or if we have the chance to revisit the low of the parallel channel right here, stop loss below this low, take profit, we can easily target something like this. And if you guys can see, obviously the most important thing is the RR, correct? So let's, okay, RR from here is like 6:1. It's a good RR for everyone. Just double checking the take profit. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me just adjust that. That one looks good. Okay, so this one is for XLM. If we do have, the opportunity again to take the trade from here. But yeah, if you guys would like to take the risk from now, that's gonna be the RR right now. Okay, but XLM, I'll zoom it out. On the daily time frame, this is how it looks. It's ready to push up to the upside at least, okay, for the XLM. Now, Sol on the other hand, yeah, Sol looks good. We are having some pick up as well with the Sol. So if you guys, are interested in longing Sol, right here. I'm not gonna aim till, 179. roughly around this area lang. Why? Because we do not have that clear indication of, of bullish yet. So if you really like see what we're doing in here, we're actually counter trading the trends, because Bitcoin and the rest of the coins right now, they're all bearish, guys. But so far, since Bitcoin did a push from how much? From 79 or 80K to, now back at 91K. That is like a push of 15%. We can expect the altcoin to be, to be doing the same. So far from push from here, 12% pa lang kay XLM. Ethereum, let's see. Ethereum did a really nice close, by the way. Kasi it looks like it was gonna break the trend line, the yearly trend line. Looks like. But the horizontal hold very well. So 12% push of the Ethereum. Uni, on the other hand, I'm not gonna take Uni, to be honest. Okay, so we're not gonna be interested with that. Let's check XRP. XRP looks let's open the daily. XRP looks like a giant parallel channel to the upside only, everyone. Yeah, there we go. So along with XRP, guys, it's the same thing, but I want you guys to watch out for this trend line, because this one is going to hold. This is the first thing that you have to watch out for if you guys are planning to long your position. Sige, this particular area right here for XRP. Miss, what's the price of that? That is hitting at 3. Okay, that's also a psychological number. 2.9, 2.95, okay? And currently we are at 2.62. So how much push do we have to go? Like roughly 8%, 8 to 10%, okay? This is the first level that I would like you guys to observe, that red line na yan. Then only we can, see if we have a chance of breaking XRP to the upside. Now, what else? ADA. Let's add ADA right here. Okay, render. Render, by the way, everyone, we have this trade in our Telegram, right? So for those who are in Telegram, and if you guys are watching right now, yeah, we have an entry roughly at 4.5, correct? 4.5, everyone. This is the level that we have to watch out right now for a possible break. Why? If we get some rejection, high likely it's gonna visit this area again. But so far, if it's gonna go along with Bitcoin, with what I just have explained, expected move for render, first rejection is sitting right around this area, 4.8. All right, 4.8. We are currently at the daily time frame, everyone. The next level, okay, is roughly at 5.9. I'm not gonna be greedy with that. Let's hit it at 5 point, roughly around this area, 5.2. Yeah, so for render, all right, I'll just give you guys a target, 5.2. Okay, for those who are, who took the trade with me in the Telegram, we're still holding that. Now, AVAX. Let me open AVAX, everyone, because, we took the trade as well. So AVAX, we had an opening roughly near 25 point, 25.9 something. Yeah, it's the same setup with render. I'm telling you, the same setup. So the first level that we have to watch out is this red area. The next level is obviously the yellow area. Now, yellow area, guys, is gonna be a stronger resistance that you guys have to watch out for. But once this one is clear, And so far, from here to there, we have done like 18% recovery already. And from here, we did a no, we're about to do like a 9% all the way till here, like roughly like 18%. So based of percentage alone, it's not surprising for AVAX. It moves, volatility is very high with AVAX. Okay, but miss, let's say if market, if market breaks the yellow level, the first resistance that I'm telling you that's gonna hit is the 29. Simple as that. Anything from 27, 26, 28, there's nothing. 29, guys, okay, for AVAX. Now, Illuvium is acting really bad. So, from what I've noticed for the past few weeks, that we are holding the trade and at the same time watching the chart. Simply, all the meme coins, AI coins, gaming coins, all of this, they have done pretty bad. That I can tell you, pretty bad. So, what's this? They have been pretty bad, to be honest. Illuvium, on the other hand, did not hold well. So, miss, what's the plan with Illuvium? I'm planning to exit it near the break even. Simple as that. I'm totally telling everyone now. I'm planning to exit Illuvium near the break even. I know break even is roughly at 19, but that 19, everyone, is going to be by the trend line. Roughly around this area lang, oh. 19. Anywhere near that, okay? Illuvium. AVAX and the render, on the other hand, still they have the chance. Especially AVAX, guys. If you see AVAX right now, we did not go below the previous low, okay, on this current dump. So it has that momentum pa, at least, right? But Illuvium, on the other hand, literally, did not contain itself. So yeah, well, I'm taking that out soon. So anyways, yeah, so far that's a very quick update with all of the coins along with Bitcoin and what to expect. So tomorrow I'll announce if we're gonna do another a live, just a quick update. There's nothing much to do, to be honest, guys. Right now in the market, market is really bad. I'm telling you that right now. It has been taking out both sides. And one thing also, we have been expecting for any altcoins or bull market, right? So, bull market, then, altcoin season. What happened with all of this, right? Let me tell you, based of the cycle of the original cycle of the crypto market, supposedly we should be by the altcoin season now. But the funny thing is this, we're not, right? So what is happening? It's actually that's why I'm telling you, it's where we at right now. It's in a really bad shape of the market. That what we can do right now is be extra cautious. Okay? So miss, how can I make money from the market? I'm telling you, if you are the guy who like accumulate right now, um I'm telling you, not right now. Okay? I myself, I haven't bought in that much. There's no clear indication yet, everyone. So if you want to make money, I'm telling you, do day trading. Okay? I'm being honest with all of you right now. Day trading is how you can make money in this kind of market right now. Wherein, like, there's no clear indication where we are going. And at the same time, yeah, by the way, I would just like to, to announce that I'm very happy that our crash course, yeah, you guys are familiar with, with crash course. Just a sec. So we actually have started our crash course, everyone. Yeah, 2025 batch. And we are on the process of, of the technical analysis na. And whatever I teach in there is gonna be very applicable with the kind of market that we have right now in order to make money. longing right now or anything that's you want to hold for, long time market. It's being honest with you, if the market does not pick up right now, I'm gonna be seeing you guys like September. I mean, like in a terms of like bull market, it's gonna be roughly near September, September, October, around that area. If the market do not pick up right now, because March supposedly by the cycle we should be having a push up. So that's it. I want you guys to watch out for this area. Okay, both the areas that I have marked. Simple. I have kept it very simple. Okay, that's it. If we reject from here, this is gonna drag all the way to April. I'm telling you. So yeah, I know it sounds very tawag dun, um, bearish, but yeah, we are in the bearish market, guys. So okay. Glizel, hello ma'am. Kailan po ulit next batch nyo ng crash course? Thank you. Glizel, I'm sorry, but I don't think I would be opening my crash course this year again. I've already started February. So, but if you still want to get into the crash course, you are welcome to join right now. We are still at we are still at the couple lessons and which you can catch up. We're not done with the price action yet. So for those who want to join the crash course, just message me in my Instagram, Mayari Capital. Else than that, I'm not gonna be opening my crash course this year again. Yeah, I'm not gonna be taking any classes this year again. Possibly next year, who knows? But yeah, that's gonna be um that's the plan. Anyway, so any other question? That I have answered that. Dustin, yes, hello. Kamusta? Kamusta kayo? Okay, so by the way, guys, yeah, speaking of crash course, I have to go now. As you know, we're gonna be starting our crash course lesson in the next 20 minutes. All right, so I'll see you guys around. I'll announce if we have any lives again sa Telegram natin. So, thank you guys for being in here tonight. Have a good night.